How are you doing today? Hope you're taking care of yourselves. This virus is really getting bad. Today is 23rd March 2020, Monday. Unfortunately, I have to go out today to work. So, there's been a week that we are locked up back my home with my wife and my two kids for a week. It's okay for me, I think for some others, it's getting hard. So you have to have this paper if you don't get a bill and stopped by the police to get a bill of 35 to 135. Now it says it goes directly into €300. I don't want to get that bill. It's too much for me. And usually on Monday, all the neighbors are gone. Their cars are gone. But today, let's see. So it's only this neighbor. I think he has to go to his work often. So let's have a look outside of the neighbors' cars. Then we can have a look. As we can see, most of the people stay right home. But just now I see some people walking with shopping bags. Someone is walking with their dog that is authorized. And you can see most people are home because their cars are stopped right back home. Nearby where I live is a park. I can still hear people running some keys sometimes. But according to the paper, that is authorized. But it's so unusually quiet. It's a very strange feeling. We'll go down and have a look about the city. You can see the supermarket is open, but you can see the people queuing up at a distance. They keep a distance from each other, and I think they also made a limit for the people to enter the supermarket each time. The supermarket is open. Just now I see the pharmacy is open too, as we said. And I start to see more and more people. Put on masks. The tramway over there, the public transport is running too. But I don't think there will be much people in it. Okay, that's what the situation looks like now. It's a post office. It's open, but as you can see, people are queuing up with a safety distance from each other. So they're taking it seriously now. As we can see, the road is nearly empty. Only very few cars. I see the other day, now it's rush hour. There's no traffic, but we can see much more cars. But now we can see that it's very obvious. We seldom see a car. It's very empty. And when I pass through the town, it's the same. There's nearly no cars. It's a working day, so we can see how badly the virus is affecting people's daily life. This is a logistic company, which is we can see their logo all the time. But now we can see it's all usually at this time of the week, of the day. Monday is supposed to be busy, but now we can see all their lorries transport is stopped, which makes sense. If no one goes out, no business activities, no commercials, so the logistics is badly affected too. I think that guy is a mechanician. It's mechanics trying to do the maintenance of the lorries. Voila. Well, I arrived at my work. So this is where I work, in agriculture land, to grow some veggies, something. Well, there's something interesting when I arrive. I don't know what to say, but it's funny. That's one of my friend. I didn't know that he installed himself in the field. Look, he brings a tent. I think he even brings his pet, a cat or maybe a dog. at his tent. His car is over there. I don't know what to say. Maybe he takes it. He took it as a holiday or something. I don't know. Oh, that's his cat. It's a cat. Okay, his cat is over there on my ladder. Okay, but anyway, no big deal. It's critical time. I don't know what is he thinking. He's thinking it's maybe a holiday. But anyway, oh, it's no big deal for me. Well, I don't know. That's a positive way of living, at least. He's making some campfire or something. Okay, no big deal. Okay, hi guys. So as we are here, let me show you around my work. This is where I work for myself. It's agriculture land to grow veggies for my own consume. Let's have a look at this. These are the strawberries. It grows last year, but in winter it didn't grow. I think it's going to grow. I put some horse shit, the cow shit. Hope it's going to grow better to make some fruits. There's some onion, but of course there's a mouse always coming to eat them all. Technically, they're going to eat them all. Looks at, and even drag it to his hole. Looks at. Okay, let's move on. This is radish. It's a violet one. Let me pull it on. It's too dense, so it does not grow well. Get one. See, it's very small. It's not good. On the other side, this is a garlic. It's the same radish. Some more garlic there. Some cabbages. Some more cabbages, but it's not a good season, so to make flowers. I will keep it later when it make flowers, make seeds. I can keep the seeds for next year to grow. The cabbages are growing, not bad. I already take some over there. So let's have a look at the cabbage here. This is going to be the seeds later. These are the flowers. These are the seeds. If you know the skills, you don't need to buy it each year from the local market, local shop, because the seeds such things, it's not cheap. This is a spinach. It's the same. Look nice and tasty spinach. It's the same. We eat it several times. In winter we eat it quite a lot. I grow it only once, and we can harvest it all the time. I'll wait it to make flowers, make the seeds. I'm going to keep it for next year. It's going to be simple for me. This cabbage are already harvested, so to make some new sprouts. Over here. Okay. Over here. Some different radish. This is a yellow one, red radish. Some cabbage. It's too late, so to make flowers directly. That's the cabbage. And this is my sweet peas. Whoa! It's big bee. It's a sweet peas. So I hope he's going to make some good fruits. These are the garlic. I grow about 400 square meters of garlic. And I growed some more cabbage the other day, as you can see. I have some coriander, some leek here. Okay, and I get another 100 square meter of the sweet peas, which is making flowers, which is a good sign. That means we're going to have fruits soon if everything goes well. Look, very healthy. Okay. Well, I never thought this is going to help a lot for the lockdown of the virus.